This is a 2012 Lincoln MKT. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, a DVD player, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a second-row folding seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.